Yo, what's going on, Gromies? We are back in action, dog. Back in freaking action. Let's get this thing started, shall we? Alright, look, here we got the Giggle gas pheno #1 right here. From, what is it called? Soulfire Gardens. Yeah. Go ahead and check her out. She got big. She damn near exploded. Yeah. It's crazy. Yeah, she exploded. Put a little stake up for her. See how the inside looks. Not too bad. It's not too crazy. Little stuff like this. I want to say she's already showing her flowers, stems. A little bit. I want to say, yeah. Yeah, the pistils are coming out. But damn, don't she look good? It's crazy. No bugs, nothing. Bug free. All these plants around here are just providing the bugs to eat the other bugs. Super simple look in the back of the leaves. Nothing. That's the beautiful part about nature. You don't gotta do nothing but let nature, you know what I'm saying, do its job, which is provide. Yeah, man. I could probably clean her up just a little bit more, or maybe stake her down a little bit more. Yeah, she's showing her pistils, so she's probably gonna get big in the next week or two before she really starts focusing on that flower power. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. I would say about 2 more weeks before, yeah, she does a little stretch. Or she had 2 weeks of stretching left, something like that, yeah. But yeah, she look good. Nice. On to the next one. All right, so right here we got the, what was this called again? Oh yeah, 100K. 100K from Exotic Genetics. She's starting to show her pistils. This is the one in the bucket with the oregano. Let's give it a little turn. Yeah, just starting to bush out real nice. I bought some more cilantro and all that stuff, so yeah, I got more cilantro around the garden. I got more mint. I got lemon thyme, chamomile, all that stuff, so it's been helping. Like I said before though, bugs do live outside, so if there's a few bugs, it doesn't bother me. There's no bugs on this plant. There's no bugs on any of the plants, but just for whatever reason, in the future there's ever bugs, like I'm not too worried. Quick story. So the day after the last episode, that night I looked at some of the plants. I looked at like one of them. I think it was this one right here, but it had like a few aphids. And then I was like, man, I'm gonna have to wake up and go get some ladybugs, but Um, before I went inside that night, or like that evening, that day, whatever, there's still like a little bit of light out. I saw a few ladybugs on it, and I was like, all right, hopefully this means at nighttime they're gonna feast. Sure enough, came outside the next morning, they're all gone. And that's my whole point of having all these flowers and basil and all this other stuff, onions, you know what I mean, marigolds, sage, all that stuff. It just brings in other bugs, and the bugs just eat everything up. So yeah, I don't have to spray ever, you know what I mean, because this is medicine. I'm not spraying medicine. I will be juicing the whole plant, well, what's left of it, you know. So yeah, no spraying over here. No spraying over here. Growing is just straight more herbs and flowers and all that stuff, you know, just keeping the cycle of life in the garden regulated. That's really all it is, just keeping everything regulated. But yeah, this is the 100K, man. She looks freaking amazing. All right, on to the next. It's that Flitter glitter. Crazy. Move these mints real quick. All right. Yeah, go and check her out, man. Good stock on her. Crazy. Put a little steak down to open it up a little bit. Yeah, look at her, man. She got huge. Yeah, man, what a blessing, man. What a blessing. Check her out, man. It's crazy. Go on this side. Damn. I wish I didn't have to have this cage here, because it would have opened up some more, but them groundhogs, man. For some reason, it's just like at the edge of all this, like this all the way back on. They were just trying to dig their mouths and stuff. But you know what I'm saying? This is their house, so gotta respect it. Yeah, she's looking good. Just look at all that growth, man. It's crazy. She's also showing her pistils, so she looks good. I haven't really fed these things too much, to be honest. I never really feed. The ground just already has everything in it. I put so much watermelon on the floor. I put so much sticks, clippings, you know what I mean? Like I didn't had how do you say it? Like just mounds of like food scraps in this area. So it's all buried, so it's just, you know, like, yeah, I don't really think I need to add anything. I've grown trees before, and I never even added nothing, and it's just grown. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, I probably could add something, but it's like, dude, look how good it looks. Like, I'm not trying to disturb its peace, not trying to overfeed it. I just want it to do what it do. It's looking good. Just don't want to mess with it, you know? But yeah, it's that Flitter glitter. All right, on to the next. Nice little bird shit action. Gotta love that. This is the Poppin' Fresh from Exotic Genetics. My bad, y'all. Phone overheated. But yeah, Poppin' Fresh. She's looking good. Had to stake her out one time. She has more of like a spacing in her nose just because she's mostly in the shade. But yeah, she looked good though. Get a better angle. She ain't that big, which is cool. That bottom plant I'll probably just take as a clone. Same with the small one back there. You know what I mean? Or maybe not, I don't know. I might just let it do its thing, honestly. Who knows though? We still got plenty of time. But yeah. She looks good. All right, on to the next. What is this one? Oh yeah, Dips from Exotic Genetics. Check her out, man. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's going on. Right, yeah. Yeah, so this is Dips from Exotic Genetics. She looks good. She looks real good, man. She's crazy. Staked her down right here. Look at the stock on her. Damn. She's looking righteous. It's the Dips, y'all. The sun's starting to come around right here. See if I can get around her real quick. Just want to get around. Shit's crazy, man. She really got big. She's also showing her pistols. Yeah, this one has a good growth. Good growth. See if she looks safe from the bottom right here. Yeah, she needs to get stripped up a little more, but she's looking good, man. She's looking good. Oreos starting to grow into the other one. On to the next, all right. Giggle gas, pheno number 2, Exotic Genetics. Had to stake her up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Had to stake her up. But damn, she looks good though. The stock is cool. She has that color, that dark lime green color, which is cool. I want to say for this one specifically, I feel like the nug's gonna be like super duper small. I don't know why, I just got a feeling, just the way it's kind of growing. But look at this fucker right here. On you go, buddy. On you go. Go ahead. Go. Let's go. Fucking grasshoppers and shit. But yeah, she has a, the color in her is dope as fuck. Look at that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are going into flower, man. Pretty soon here. Yeah, so that means we probably got like 2 more months of flower, 2.5 months of flower. It's probably really gonna start flowering like about a week or two, so. But damn, what y'all think, man? No bugs, no sprays. Everything organic, man. Got my basil, got my sweet listen. Got another sweet listen right there. You know what I'm saying? This is some other type of basil right here. Another sweet listen. I just planted those, so they're gonna get bigger. But yeah, it don't seem like much, but I swear, these things pushing away them bugs. They don't like that smell. Some bugs like it, but that's why you get multiple plants. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to show my grow style, you know what I mean? Sprayless, I'll say it forever. Sprayless plants. We never gonna spray the plants. We leave that to the dispos, to the big guys, to, you know what I'm saying? Ruin the herb. Yeah, once he's flowering and everything, I'm gonna juice the shit out of this stalk. Some of the leaves, done it before. Super good for you. But yeah, man, she just looks super dope. Crazy. Dips, everything's looking clean. Yeah, these plants get the less sun. The sun's just starting to hit them. It's probably about to be like 11 already, so yeah, they get less sun, but shit don't mean nothing. It don't mean the herb's not gonna come out good. But these, you can tell the difference. Bam. Yeah. Even the one in the pot has a good shape to it. This oregano smells real good. Yeah. But yeah, gromies, that's the garden for today. That's the garden for today, man. Appreciate everybody watching the videos. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. Checking in, checking out. If you only grew, peace.